What will it show when I run this? This is x comma y equals 2 comma 5. This is actually a shortcut for writing variables because typically you would do something like x equals 2, y equals 5, and then it would assign them. But I can do it like this and run it, and it should show 2 comma 5. Yep, shows a tuple of 2 comma 5. Or just do like this, shows 2, and this shows 5. Okay, now if you come down here, what does enumerate do? Like right here, it says enumerate. So if I go right here, it says for I in range 3, so it'll print 0, 1, 2. See, 0, 1, 2. Okay, if I go through here and say A is 7, 8, 9, for J and A, so J is 7, 8, 9. Then come down here, if I do enumerate 7, 8, 9, it'll combine them together. So before it did range 3, which is 0, 1, 2. Here it did the values inside this list A. So if I do enumerate list A, then I will be 0, 1, 2, and then J will be the values in the list, which are 7, 8, 9. And run it. There it is. There's 0, 1, 2, which is I, and 7, 8, 9, which is J. I come down here, it says B equals CAB, and then I put that in a list, and that separates each character. So it'd be C comma A comma B, and if I run this, see C comma A comma B. Now if I come down here, then I can run this for loop that uses the index, which I should enumerate, enumerate. The key will be C, and the value will be 0. Key will be A, and the value will be 1. Then the key will be B, and the value will be 2. So come down here, D, run it, C0, A1, B2. And so now I can do something like this. Well, I'll show that later. So put it back like it was. Now if I come down here and I want to flip it the other way so that the key is the index number and the value is the character, then I can run this. So run it for, put enumerate, enumerate. Okay, now run it, and oops, change that to E. There we go. Okay, 0 is the key with the value of C, 1 is the key value of A, 2 is the key value of B. So that flipped it around the other way. So now if I want to convert, just say the word A into a number, I already have the sort of the setup for it. So I can do like dictionary, then put string A, and then it should show 1. It should show 1. Yep. So that's how you can encode. And then here would decode. So if I put index 1, it should show A. So if I run it, there's A. So that's some cool tips and tricks in Python. Anything else you'd like to see, let me know. And thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks.